Ka Sorkar Jylla haka khatsan tarik kala lingkot kala rai ban Pynkylla no iaka Meghalaya State Anthem da ka ba kynthuplang no iaka ktien Pnar haki ktien na lyrics. Haba penbenaya kini ka rai hadian ke jingalang ka kenhun menteri rangba ka Jylla ukon rat ke sangma ula ong. Ngas ngokumen shibun ban penbena baka kenhun menteri mentang kasngi kala rai ban Pynkylla iaka Meghalaya State Anthem bat ngis ngokumen ban kynthup iaka to kat niki benta haka ktien Pnar hapo ka State Anthem. Ula ong ru baya kini on sa pelaj haka Meghalaya Games ka bansa long Hawaya Jer Giant Hills bat ngin sa pensngo haka tay kasngi. Menteri rangba upentip ru baya kini karai la pensyong nong rem halol ki kato ni jing ai jing mun na kinong mi khmat karilum Giant ya khamtam na usumbut menteri rangba ka Jylla uba snyau bhalang dhar lembat ki riu pai ba.
And hence, very happy new year. We had 9 agendas today in the cabinet, and I would like to start. The first agenda today was the amendment to the State Anthem. I am happy to announce and inform that based on some of the suggestions that have come to us from our representatives from Giant Hills, especially our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Snyau Bhalang Dhar, and the other representatives and the cabinet ministers and the public at large. The cabinet today has decided to amend the Meghalaya State Anthem, and we are happy to include few lines in Pnar in the State Anthem. So this will be unveiled in the State Meghalaya Games, which will be held in Wajer in Giant Hills, and we'll be playing it on that particular day.